What's up you guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing some paint prep stuff for the 240. So first we're going to go ahead and do this antenna delete. So I haven't done this before, so it's all going to be trial and error, but I think I'm just going to cut it out and then cut out a sheet metal and then see if I can hold the sheet metal on the inside and then tack it in place. So we'll see how this goes. So I got it out. This is bigger than I expected it to be. I don't know what I was thinking that it would look like, but it wasn't this. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and fill this up. I'm gonna go ahead and cut out a piece of sheet metal and see if we can get it to be as close to this size as possible.
Why the hell did she cut the car? This is why she doesn't do stuff unsupervised.
I thought that's what she told me to do.
No, why did you cut this?
I don't know, cause I was trying to cover the antenna.
Kaylee, mommy cut her hole in her car.
What?
What are you doing?
What did mommy do?
Mommy cut a hole. I was thinking you were just talking about the metal to fill it in, so I said yeah.
I thought you meant fill it in after cut it.
No, you take the antenna out, you spin this, and look, it comes out. This is supposed to stay on the car. This is supposed to stay here. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Look, and then you just take it out of the car. What the heck? This is why you don't do stuff unsupervised. What the heck are you doing, you?
Where did it go? So I thought that when Blaine said cut it out, he meant cut out the antenna, but he meant cut out the sheet metal so I could put it behind the hole of the antenna after I unscrew it. Oh my gosh.
You're just a mess right now.
When you said cut it out, you didn't mean out of the car.
I didn't mean cut the thing out of the... Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so I mean, she got the panel, the replacement panel tacked in there. She's gonna go and fill it with some Bondo now, or fiberglass Bondo. I'm a loss for words right now. But yeah, she's just gonna smooth it out with some Bondo now, and then primer it, and then that's how you do an antenna delete, I guess. So yeah.
Oh, Bradley said.
Yeah, he said he just messaged me. He's like, "Brah, I just told her that it looks good. I didn't see the antenna."
I can't believe.
You.
So now that the fiberglass Bondo has been sanded down, I'm gonna go ahead and put some regular Bondo on top of it. So now that everything is flat, I'm gonna go ahead and spray some primer on top of this. So we're gonna go ahead and start taping everything off. I already went ahead and did the rear windshield, so now I'm gonna just start taping everything off. Ooh, look at this. Blaine brought me funnel cake. So I went ahead and took off the headlights and also the grill. We're probably going to be painting, we are going to be painting the kit separate from the car. So I'm going to go ahead and lay another plastic sheet over the engine in later on, but for now I just went ahead and did the front windshield, the back windshield, the sunroof, and the 2 rear windows. I don't really know what they're called, but those. So all we need to do now is scuff up the parts that don't have primer on them, put some primer on them, just tape off anything else that I need to, and we're pretty much good to go for some paint. So that's gonna be it for today's video, just a little bit of paint prep. We're not all the way there, but we're a step closer to getting the car painted. We don't have the paint yet, but it should be coming sometime in the next couple of days or next week. So yeah, I hope you guys are excited for it. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay good.